9 best SUV deals right now. It's that time of the month again. It's the time to find a great new SUV deal for yourself or someone in your family. If you're in need of replacing an old crossover, this could be the perfect opportunity. With electrified and smaller sized options available, there are plenty of ways to save money and choose the right car for you. There's no reason not to take advantage. Come summertime, if your current vehicle is close to its expiration date, you'll want something safe and reliable instead. Why not get it now when prices are so low? Hello car aficionados, this is Joe from Carland TV. And in this episode, I've listed some of the best SUV deals right now. You'll discover options that had previously been inaccessible due to price constraints. Whichever way you go, exploring these amazing offers is sure to yield newer cars with more features than ever before at a never-before-seen cost. Before I start, I must remind viewers that this isn't a complete rundown of all the SUVs in this market. I've just handpicked specific units that have impressive offers under the price tags. And if you have better objections or alternatives, please drop them in the comments section below. Also, I would like to ask a favour of hitting the likes and subscribe buttons. They're going to help the channel a lot. Now, let's get back to the video. 2023 Subaru Forester. MSRP $26,500. Current deal 3.9% APR financing. Deal duration until July the 31st, 2023. The 2023 Subaru Forester is the perfect car for a family of 5. Its spacious interior comfortably seats all passengers, providing plenty of legroom. Added safety features give peace of mind behind the wheel, and its competitive price point makes it great value for money. In addition, this latest model also offers top-notch safety scores from independent testers, as well as comprehensive driver assistance packages such as forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking and adaptive cruise control technologies. The most notable features that sets this SUV apart from others on the market is its outstanding resale value, something that most SUVs in this segment cannot boast about. 2023 Toyota RAV4. MSRP $28,300. Current deal 2.9% APR financing. Deal duration until August 1st, 2023. Toyota's incredible RAV4 has all the features you need and want in a compact SUV. With its impressive fuel efficiency, generous cargo space, and dependable resale value, it promises years of enjoyment. But of 2023, they've upped their game even further. Now equipped with a newly enhanced user-friendly infotainment system, complete with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capabilities. When it comes to your safety, Toyota has you covered by offering an array of advanced driver assistance systems as standard amenities. Forward collision warning includes automatic braking and pedestrian detection. Lane departure alert helps keep you on track with steering assistance when driving off course. Adaptive cruise control kicks into gear during those longer trips. And road sign recognition allows for maximum attentiveness to any of the changes up ahead. To make things even better, July brings a limited loan term of 36 months, along with this amazing deal, so that you can enjoy the empowering features packed within the RAV4 without breaking your budget. 2023 Volkswagen TAOS. MSRP $24,100. Current deal 1.9% APR financing. Deal duration until July 31st, 2023. Volkswagen's TAOS is the perfect car for the modern driver. It boasts a lively turbo engine that ensures excellent handling, as well as European driving manners for an effortless and responsive ride. Its subcompact dimensions make it especially appealing to urban dwellers looking for nimble size without compromising on interior space and comfort. This month's deal adds further value to this remarkable vehicle. You get to benefit from standard amenities like plenty of active safety features. Volkswagen's all-digital instrument cluster, digital cockpit, and Apple CarPlay Android Auto phone integration too. Plus, with this low-cost 36-month loan term, your dream drive doesn't need to be a fortune behind it either. 2023 Buick Envision. MSRP $33,400. Current deal 2.49% APR financing. Deal duration until July 31st, 2023. The 2023 Buick Envision is a perfect combination of style and convenience. It has all the features you could ever want from an SUV, whether you're planning a cross-country trip or running day-to-day errands. It offers safety, entertainment, and comfort on the road. The quiet cabin allows drivers to enjoy peace and serenity, tuning out any distractions. With features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, satellite radio, 6 speakers, and an 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat, the Voyager experience comes more luxurious at no extra cost. In addition to its great features and affordable price tag, you can now take advantage of GM Financial's extended 90-day no-payment feature, available only this month. This incredible offer provides buyers with financial benefits and grants flexibility in budgeting payments in advance without being tied to additional interest rates. It's a fantastic deal that should not be overlooked. 2023 GMC Terrain, MSRP $29,400. Current deal 1.9% APR financing. Deal duration until July 31st, 2023. For the 2023 model year, GMC introduces an improved Terrain, with increased horsepower and an electronic brake booster for enhanced safety. The vehicle offers wireless Apple CarPlay Android Auto connectivity through its Wi-Fi layer or Bluetooth connection, along with USB-C ports. With generous rear legroom, passengers can enjoy a spacious cabin, while drivers benefit from improved turbocharged acceleration. But that's not all. If you're an eligible GMC owner or leasee, or finance your car through GM Financial, you can take advantage of a $750 cashback offer for this month, along with a 90-day no-payment scheme. Don't miss the opportunity to explore the diverse range of innovative features offered by the all-new Terrain before making your decision. 2023 Mazda CX-9. MSRP of $38,800. Current deal 1.9% APR financing. Deal duration until July 31st, 2023. Mazda's flagship CX-9 encapsulates sophistication and family comfort. It's a practical SUV packed with the agility of a sporty sedan to navigate through your life effortlessly. Boasting impressive specs like all-wheel drive and a turbocharged 2.5-litre 4-cylinder engine, it's clear that power was not compromised for comfort here. While providing luxurious features such as space for up to 7 passengers and an integrated 10.25-inch infotainment screen, offering a seamless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto experience. This car doesn't hold back on pleasing the masses in order to meet its ultimate goal, creating a sense of freedom whilst driving. To add one more cherry on top, Mazda isn't cutting corners with their July offer. A 36-month financing plan gives you ample time to make up your mind while handling payments conveniently over time. 2023 Chevrolet Equinox. MSRP $26,600. Current deal 1.9% APR financing. Deal duration until July 31st, 2023. Chevrolet has unveiled the enhanced 2023 Equinox, offering even more features and capabilities. The engine has received a power boost, delivering increased horsepower, and the braking system has been updated with a state-of-the-art electronic booster. Despite being classified as a compact SUV, the 2023 Chevrolet Equinox surprises with its generous rear legroom, providing ample space for passengers. In addition to its improved performance, the Equinox offers a range of modern tech features for driver comfort and convenience. These include wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto compatibility, Wi-Fi connectivity, and alert seat vibrators that notify you of potential dangers on the road, ensuring your safety. Furthermore, buyers can enjoy a complimentary 5-year subscription to OnStar services at no additional cost. Lastly, the Equinox offers fantastic value with attractive 36-month loan terms, making ownership of this stylish Chevrolet gem more accessible and affordable. 2023 Ford Explorer. MSRP $47,000. Current deal 0.9% APR plus $1,000 cashback. Deal duration until July 31st, 2023. The Ford Explorer has something for everyone. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, a hybrid lover, or simply looking to give your family that little bit of luxury, the Explorer can cater to all preferences. There's even the sporty ST model, which adds some more pizzazz and extra performance capability to the mix. Plus, this month marks a stellar opportunity to get yourself into an Explorer with generous cashback discounts on selected models. The $1,000 cashback offer applies specifically to those looking at either the limited or Timberline editions, and comes with a 60-month loan term agreement suitable for any budget. This deal makes it easy and accessible for families of all sizes, no matter what trim they're after, as every second row seat comfortably folds down, giving way to creating enough room for up to 7 passengers, meaning no one misses out on making memories together. What's not to love about owning an affordably priced SUV backed by ultimate comfortability? 2023 Hyundai Tucson. MSRP $26,000. Current deal 0.9% APR. Deal duration until July 31st, 2023. The 2023 Hyundai Tucson is a reputable car that puts style first and offers generous interior space. What's more, its cost-friendly price tag is just another perk, with added peace of mind courtesy of a long warranty. Diving into its features, the standard infotainment system boasts an 8-inch touchscreen and wireless Android Auto Apple CarPlay for intuitive navigation. Safety won't be overlooked either. Onboard driver assistance tech includes automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and driver attention warning to help you drive increasingly smarter. To make things even better, take advantage of the long 36-month loan term option available when stocking up on this stylish ride. And that completes our list. Thanks for sticking to the end. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and share buttons. I know it's a chore, but it helps the channel a lot. Until next time, drive safely.